Right. Today, we are going to do equations which require factorization. So in this example, we want to find the general solution. So now, what do? We factorize this. We can factorize it directly, but now there is cos theta here. There is cos theta. Some they tend to be confused. So what do? We change this into an equation, into a quadratic equation which we understand. So let y is equal to cos theta. Right. Y is equal to cos theta. We are going to say 2y squared plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. Now we have this, which we are the equation, the quadratic equation, which we are used to. We need to multiply the first term and the last term. We get minus 2. Then we find the factors of minus 2, which can give us the middle term, which is going to be 2y squared plus 2y minus 1. Y minus 1 is equal to 0. If I factorize this, I'm going to get 2y minus 1, another bracket, y plus 1 is equal to 0. The values of y, I'm going to get y is equal to half, or y is equal to minus 1. So after this, but y is equal to cos theta. Y is equal to cos theta. So what do? Let's replace y with cos theta. We are going to have cos theta is equal to half, or cos theta is equal to minus 1. So now what do? We need to find the reference angles. So the reference angle, the first one, reference angle is equal to arc cos half. Then what do we get here? Arc cos half, we are going to get 60 degrees. We find again a reference angle here, arc cos, reference angle, arc cos minus 1. We are going to get what? We are going to get 180 degrees. Right. Now that we have this, remember the 4 quadrants. Remember the 4 quadrants which we spoke about. The 4 quadrants: theta, 180 minus theta, 180 plus theta, 360 minus theta. So what do we have? We are starting with the first one, reference angle 60. We check cos theta is equals to half. Is half a positive or a negative? We can see half is a positive. So when half is a positive, we find the quadrant where cos theta is positive. The first quadrant, all they are positive, and the fourth quadrant, cos is positive as well. So we are going to say this in the first quadrant, theta, we are going to say plus 360. So our theta here is the reference angle. So our general solution, the first one, theta is equal to 60 degrees. 60 degrees plus 360 K. Remember, K is an element of Z. The other one is in the fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, we are going to say 360 minus the reference angle plus 360. 360 minus the reference angle. So we are going to say 360 degrees minus 60 degrees plus 360 K. Right. What do we get here? We are going to get 300 plus 360 K. K is an element of Z. Then we do again the other one, cos which is going to say cos, which is cos theta is equal to minus half. We got our reference angle as what? As 180 degrees. So our reference angle in the first one, what do we get? Theta plus our theta 180. 180 becomes our reference angle plus 360K. Another one, again, we are going to say theta is 360 minus 180 plus 360K, which is going to be 180 plus 360K. So our answer becomes 180 plus 360K, and K is an element of Z. So this is how we solve equations which need factorization. We just change into terms which we do understand, or we just factorize directly from here. But if you don't understand, the best way is to change into terms which you understand. Then after that, you go back, you substitute your y. Then after that, you solve for y. Then from there, then we get our answer as we did in this example.